Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Now, we will see event handling in React. This is the first part of event handling. Today in this video, I will be adding some subtypes for state to apply event handling in React application. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. For this purpose, let's add a new folder in Assets as Birds and move bird images inside it. Now under the species state, let's add some types to birds. Let's add a new row in menu component and add the types in similar way as species were added using mapping. To display the types, we will use card component that will show the image and type. All these components are being used from React strap. Again, we got the same error as we have only added type for one species, so let's comment rest and check. As you can see, bird types are updated. Similarly, I have added types for rest of them as well. Here you can see the result, we have everything aligned properly. So, we have successfully added the subtypes in state in our React application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comments section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.